Have you ever wanted to remember your dreams? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you unlock the fascinating world of your subconscious. Dreams offer unique insights into our minds. Remembering them can be a powerful tool for self-discovery and creativity. Preparation is key. Let's look at what you can do before bed to improve your dream recall. Before falling asleep, set a clear intention to remember your dreams. This mental command can significantly influence your recall. Keep a dream journal and pen right by your bed. This makes it easy to record your dreams the moment you wake up. To ensure a deeper, more undisturbed sleep, avoid alcohol and caffeine, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. The moments after waking are crucial for dream recall. Here's how to maximize your chances. When you first wake up, resist the urge to move or open your eyes immediately. Stay still for a few moments to let the dream memories linger. Gently bring your attention to any lingering feelings, emotions, or fragments of images from your dream. Don't force it. Once you have even a tiny piece of a dream, immediately write it down. Even a word or a feeling can trigger more detailed recall. Your dream journal is a powerful tool. Let's explore some best practices to make the most of it. Always date your entries and try to write in the present tense, as if the dream is happening now. This helps keep the experience vivid. Include as many details as possible: characters, settings, objects, conversations, and especially your emotions and any recurring themes. Don't censor yourself. Write down everything that comes to mind, even if it seems silly or illogical. Dreams are often symbolic. Review your journal regularly to spot patterns and practice consistently. The more you engage with your dreams, the better your recall will become. Dream recall is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, be persistent, and enjoy the incredible adventure into your inner world.